This is the Stafford ST316B programming instruction guide. We're going to run through how to set in a program, in this case program number 4. We're reading off the program instruction manual that comes with the unit when you purchase it. Otherwise, this is available for download on our website. The Stafford programmer has space for up to 9 programs. We preset 7 of them before we send them out, which you can change if you like, or you can change programs 8 or 9 as they won't be in use. Press the step button, then the program number flashes, so use the up and down buttons to select which program we're looking at. Today it's 4. If we press the step button again, the delay timer appears. This is hours.minutes. So this tells us if we want to start the kiln later, if we want to have it finished later, we can press and hold the up button to set this to whatever we want it to be. If I say 01.05, this is 1 hour and 5 minutes. So when I press the start button, it will count down from this time and then turn on after that. Most of the time we don't need a delay timer, so we just set this to 0. If this is already set to something, you can just push and hold the down button to set this to 0. Once this is at 0, we can just press the step button again to get to the next stage. So the first ramp for this program is 150 degrees per hour, and the first up arrow is flashing on the little map. Press the step button again to get to the next step. So this is the temperature it's going to reach, in this case 600 degrees at 150 degrees per hour. The next light up on the little map is lit up. Press step button again. This is the next ramp. In this case is full, so it's going as fast as it possibly can up to the temperature that we set it to, which in this case is 600 degrees. If we press the step button again, we get the soak timer. So where these two temperatures were the same, where they were both 600, this timer will allow us to set the kiln to hold at 600 degrees for however long we tell it to, in this case 15 minutes, so 00.15. Press the step button again to get to segment 2, so the next step in program 4. The first step here is 120 degrees per hour. Press the step button again to get to the set temperature, which in this case is 1000 degrees. Press the step button again to get to the next ramp, which is 100 degrees per hour. You can see as we're pressing this button, the little lights move up on the ramp. Press the step button again to get to the next set temperature, in this case is 1200 degrees. Press the step button again to get the soak time, so it's going to hold at 1200 degrees for 10 minutes, so 00.10. Press step again to get to the next stage. We're now in segment 3 of program 4, and it says end, so the program will stop here. If we don't want it to stop here, we want to continue the program, you just push and hold the up button to set the next ramp. So in this case, it would be 20 degrees per hour. If it's already set to something and you want the program to end early, just push and hold the down button until we get back down to end. You can then press the step button again to take us back to the main screen, which is the current temperature inside the kiln, in this case 22 degrees. And in order to start the kiln, we just press the start button. The start light comes on. A little full stop appears after the temperature. This just indicates that the kiln is currently heating, and the first up light on the little ramp is lit up. If we had a delay timer in this program, the little flat light would be lit up instead, and the kiln would be counting down that time. If we want to stop the kiln, if we started it accidentally, just press the start button again. The start light comes off, the little full stop comes off, and the light on the map goes off as well.